If you like this video, please hit like. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please click subscribe.
Hey, I'd like to introduce you to this tooth powder. This is interesting. Not sure if you've ever used a tooth powder, but if you're considering it, I think you should consider this one. I received it as a gift from the company so that I could show it to you and show you how it works. Let me show it to you. It does have a nice screw top, and then the powder is purple and it's finely milled. So let me show you how I use this. Okay, so you're going to use this tooth powder just like you would toothpaste. You get your toothbrush a little bit wet and then dip it in the powder and brush like normal. And I like this powder because it's got activated charcoal and a special type of clay that helps with whitening your teeth. And then it's infused with peppermint oil, which helps with freshening your breath. So I really like this. Thanks.